Hi everybody, I bought this Dell XPS 13 laptop around 1 year ago that you might have seen the unboxing video as well. Today I'm going to talk about my experience with this laptop, and that includes the things that I absolutely love about this and also the things that I face problems with. But before I start talking about the laptop, I must say these reviews and opinions are solely based on my user experience and it might be different for others. So let's start with the things that I like about this laptop. First of all, the display of this laptop is super awesome. It has the best full HD display panel on any laptop that I have seen so far. It has 1920 by 1080 non-touch 13.3-inch IPS display panel with 120 refresh rate. This display just rocks while using indoors. I even feel sometimes that it is a 4K display in spite of a full HD. The color accuracy of this display is so well contained. However, while using outdoors in sunlight, I had a little bit of trouble seeing the text on the screen, but after increasing the brightness to the full, gets the job done decently well. Secondly, the battery backup on this laptop is crazy. It lasts around 10 to 12 hours while using MS Office, web surfing, and even watching movies. Although it is not a gaming laptop, it still gives out 3 to 4 hours of battery backup while playing games, which is even better than some of the gaming laptops that I have used. Also, the charging of this laptop is very fast. It takes around 1.5 hours to charge from 0 to 100%. That almost feels like charging a smartphone. The other benefit of it is that it has Type C charging cable and the laptop has Type C Thunderbolt ports on both sides. So that gives me the ability to plug the charger on either sides of the laptop. Next, let's talk about the processor of this laptop. So it has 11th Gen i5 Evo Intel processor with 8 cores, 2.4 GHz. Honestly, I'm no tech reviewer. I cannot show you guys the performance numbers and stuff like that other tech reviewers do. I can just give my experience reviews. So for me, if it can handle all the applications and softwares that I want to use simultaneously without lagging and problem free, then it is a good processor. And indeed it is. And also I played some games like CSGO and Warframe and they run flawless. And in fact the graphics and display of this laptop makes it more realistic and fun to play. Also, I want to add that I do a lot of I do a lot of work with 3D modeling and CAD modelings, and with my experience, I can say that this hardware, is very capable of doing that kind of work. The next thing that I want to talk about is its overall body design and weight. It has full machined aluminum body on top and bottom as well, which looks and feel very premium and classy. Also, the carbon fiber body around the keyboard not just looks good but also feels nice and warm during winter. The keyboard give a nice feedback while typing. Although I don't do a lot of typing, it just clicks perfectly. The super thin bezels on three sides of the screen is mind blowing. I appreciate the designers of the Dell that they even fitted a webcam on top of the screen with very thin bezel. Also, the fingerprint scanner on this laptop is super quick. It unlocks the laptop instantly. Okay, so now let's talk about the things that I faced problems with this laptop. So basically the negative things. So the first and immediate problem that comes to my mind is with the audio drivers. I don't mean the audio quality, I mean the audio drivers. The audio quality is surprisingly good. The loudness, the clarity of the voice is super awesome. The problem I faced was, and I'm still facing problems sometimes, is that sometimes it is working, sometimes it is not. Sometimes only the Bluetooth headphones are working and the speakers and even the wired earphones are not working. And every time this issue happens, I need to reinstall the audio drivers every time. Actually, this audio driver situation started after a couple of weeks of buying this laptop. So at that time, I contacted the Dell customer services and they helped me with solving driver problem. After updating to Windows 11, this driver problem started again, and every time now this problem arises, I need to reinstall the audio driver. So that's all from my side, guys. I hope you like the video, and if you do, make sure to hit that like button, and if you haven't done already, please subscribe to my channel, and see you guys next time. Bye.